মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোক সকলোকে কেডিছ জ্ঞানলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি এই ভিডিঅ'ত তোমালোকে শিকিব পাৰিবা তোমালোকৰ পাঠ্যপুথিৰ 171 নং পৃষ্ঠাৰ 171 পেজ নম্বৰৰ 8 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নৰ উত্তৰবোৰ কিদৰে এই অংকবোৰ তোমালোকে কৰিব লাগিব। মই চেষ্টা কৰিম যাতে তোমালোকে বুজি পোৱা। ভিডিঅ'টো সম্পূৰ্ণকৈ চাবা আৰু শিকিবলৈ তোমালোকেও চেষ্টা কৰিবা। ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্নটো আছে এখন আয়তাকৃতিৰ খেলপথাৰৰ দিগ x+8 মিটাৰ প্ৰস্থ দীঘতকৈ 3 মিটাৰ কম। খেলপথাৰখনৰ কালি উলিওৱা। 2 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন এখন বৰ্গাকৃতিৰ বাগিচাৰ দিগ 2x + 1/4 মিটাৰ বাগিচাখনৰ কালি নিৰ্ণয় কৰা। 3 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো এই ধৰণৰেই মই পিছত তোমালোকক পঢ়ি শুনাম। প্ৰথমতে অংকবোৰ চাই লোৱা কিদৰে মই অংকখিনি কৰিছোঁ। তো ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল এই অংকখিনি মই গোটেই ইংলিছতে কৰি দিছোঁ কাৰণ অসমীয়াখিনি তোমালোকক ছাৰ বাইদেউ শিকাইছেই। এখন আয়তাকৃতিৰ খেলপথাৰৰ দিগ x+8 মিটাৰ প্ৰস্থ দীঘতকৈ 3 মিটাৰ কম। খেলপথাৰখনৰ কালি উলিওৱা। তোমালোকে এইটো যদি ইংৰাজীত চোৱা, ইংৰাজীত প্ৰশ্নটো এনেকুৱা হ'ব, লেন্থ অফ এ প্লেগ্ৰাউণ্ড ইজ x+8 মিটাৰ এণ্ড breadth is 3 meter less than its length. Find the area of the playground. Now to solve this problem, we are given length x+8 meters and breadth x+8 meter minus 3 meter as it is stated in the question. Breadth is 3 meter less than length. So what is length? x+8. Breadth will be 3 meter less. That means we subtract 3 from length. So breadth will become x+5 meters. Now we are asked to find the area. So area of the field, area of the playground will be length into breadth since it is a rectangular shaped playground. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. That is why I am writing length into breadth, L into B. Now L is x+8 and B is x+5. By using identity 4, I can have x square plus a plus b. Instead of a there is 8 and instead of b there is 5. So I have to write 8 plus 5 into x plus 8 into 5, that is a into b. And our answer will become x square plus 13x plus 40 and the unit will be square unit. Now the second question you can check in your book in Assamese. The question is the length of side of a square field or square garden. It is given as garden. Length of side of a square garden is 2 times x plus 1/4 meter. Find the area of the garden. Okay. Now given length of each side of square garden equals to 2 times x plus 1/4 m. 4m, here m is meter, that is unit of length. 2 times x plus 1/4. Therefore area of the square garden will be side into side, that is 2 times x plus 1/4 into 2 times x plus 1/4. It can be written as 2 times x whole square plus 1/4 plus 1/4 into 2x plus 1/4 into 1/4. Instead of this formula, I am using the fourth identity. Instead of fourth identity, you can use identity 1. Since x into x is x square, that means 2 times x plus 1 by 4 into 2 times x plus 1 by 4 is 2 times x plus 1 by 4 whole square, and this can be written as a square, that is x 2 times x whole square plus 2 into a into b is this one, plus b square. So the answer will be 4 times x square plus x plus 1 by 16. In both cases we get same answer, and the answer will be 4x square plus x plus 1 by x square meter. So students, you can try it in two different ways. One is by using the identity 1 and one is using identity 4. It will be better if you use identity 1. Now I am here with question number 3. In Assamese it is given as ejon khetiyoke potharote dudokhor বর্গাকৃতির মাটি জহা ধান আৰু বৰা ধানৰ খেতি কৰিলে জহা ধানৰ খেতি কৰা মাটিডৰাৰ দিগ বৰা ধানৰ খেতি কৰা মাটিডৰাতকৈ 5 মিটাৰ বেছি দুয়োডৰা মাটিৰ কালিৰ পাৰ্থক্য উলিওৱা Now the question is, a farmer cultivate Joha rice and Bora rice in two square shaped field or land. Okay, the length of the field where Joha rice cultivated is 5 meter more than the length of side of the field where Bora rice is cultivated. Find the difference in area of the two pieces of land. To solve this, first of all, we have to suppose the length of land where Bora rice cultivated be x. Okay, it is taken as the length of the land where Bora rice cultivated be x. Area of the land where Bora rice cultivated will be x into x square. Again, the length of land where Joha rice cultivated equals to 5 more than x, that means x plus 5, and the area of the land where Bora rice cultivated, and it should be Joha rice, not Bora rice, because Bora rice, area of Bora rice cultivated is x square, and we have to find Joha rice in the second term. Area of the land where Joha rice cultivated equals to x plus 5 whole square, that means x square plus 10 times x plus 25 by using the property or identity 1. Now the difference in area will be x square plus 10 times x plus 25 minus x square, and the answer is 10 times x plus 25 square meter. This is the way how to solve this type of questions, by using identities. Now the fourth question, যদি 1 বর্গ মিটার বেৰত ৰং কৰোতে 9 টকা খৰচ হয়, তেন্তে 107 মিটাৰ দিগ আৰু 93 মিটাৰ প্ৰস্থৰ বেৰ এখন ৰং কৰিবলৈ কিমান টকাৰ প্ৰয়োজন হ'ব? Now the question is given as the cost of painting a wall is rupees 9 per square meter. Then if the cost of painting a wall is rupees 9 per meter square, then find the cost of painting a wall with length 107 and breadth 93 meter respectively. Okay, length of the wall is 107 meter and breadth of the wall is 93 meter. Now area of the wall to be painted is length into breadth, so 100 plus 7 into 93, and I am using the distributive property over multiplication distributive property over of subtraction. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, and this is wrong. I have to use one property like this. 100 plus 7 is 107 and 100 minus 7 is 93. I have to use identity 3 to solve this problem, and this is what? This is 10,000 minus 49, and the answer will be 9,951 square meter. The cost of painting will be 9 times 9,951, and the answer will be 89,559 rupees. Okay, it is written as Toka. You have to write rupees 89,559. Now students, I am with question number 5. Here it is given 197 meter দৈর্ঘ্যৰ বৰ্গাকৃতিৰ পথাৰ এখনৰ কালি উলিওৱা. Given length of each side of a square field equals to 197 meter. Therefore, area of the square field will be side into side, that is 197 into 197. And to use identity, I have to write 197 as 200 minus 3 into 197 as 200 minus 3. 200 minus 3 into 200 minus 3 will be used as identity 2a square minus 2ab plus b square, and the answer will be 38,809. How do I get 200 square? 2 square means 4, and 2 times 0 will become 4 times 0. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, so it is 1200. 3 square is 9, so our answer 38,809 square meters. Now the sixth question will be x plus 1 by x equals to 3 hole x square plus 1 by x square aru x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4 or মান নির্ণয় করা. If x plus 1 by x equals to 3, then find out x square plus 1 by x square aru and x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Find the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4. Now A2 answer ulabo karone, to find this answer I have to take x plus 1 by x equals to 3. Okay, after using this I will square both sides. After squaring both sides I have a plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2 times ab plus b square equals to 3 square means 9. Now x cancel, so x square plus 1 by x square equals to this 2. After transposition, this plus 2 will become minus 2, and x square plus 1 by x square will become 7. The first part is done. Second part, I will use the second answer to get the third answer. Sorry, first answer to get the second answer. First answer is x square plus 1 by x square equals to 7. Squaring both sides, I have a plus b whole square, that is a raised to the power 4 plus 2 times a into b plus b square, that is 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 49. 7 square means 49. Now after cancellation, this is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 49 minus 2 plus 2 will be transposed to right hand side and become minus 2, and our answer will be 47. Now dear students, you can try these two questions. If 2x minus 1 by 2x equals to 2, find 4x square plus 1 by 4x square and 16x to the power 4 minus 1 by 16x to the power 4. Okay, find the value of these two. Again, if a minus b equals to 10 and ab equals to 11, then find the value of a plus b. These are the two questions given to you as homework. Thanks for watching the video. Please keep supporting me to grow more and more as soon as possible. Thank you.